Excuse me.
Oh God, I'm so sorry.
Oh God, I'm so sorry.
Can you hold this for me? Can you hold this up for me, sir?
Sure, I'll get that to stay up there.
Alright.
I'll fall back on top of me.
Trying to.
Here, you need to seal the bottom of that.
Don't let the stink out.
I should have known. I looked around, I just knew you was going to have it. I would want to have one.
Dump it on.
So you're going to come over and help me put lights on.
Charge. That's all right.
She already has.
Oh yeah. Ooh, excuse me. Oh, my bad. Did you fart? Arr, whew. Whew.
See how that's got all the little
What is up, guys? We love you. How you doing? Let us know down here. It's been a long time. Go ahead and write.
But if you need help with riding down here, we got you covered.
Let's say you're not good at riding. Well, we got some help for you. You can go to edubirdie.com. You can choose from professional riders, hundreds of them, and they're trained in all fields of study, and they're very professional, and they can help you.
These pros will help you with whatever academic assignment you may have, whether it's editing an existing paper or starting over a new one from scratch. Writing's just really easy with EduBirdie.
This is a deodorant. Deodorant. Deodorant.
Joe, go away. This is more great.
sorry. I'm trying to cover it up. We all men here. Ow! Excuse me. My bad, guys. My bad. I ate some Chinese earlier. Oh, that's sorry. That one came out of nowhere. Excuse me. I hurt. It's not loud enough. Good, how about you? Good. Excuse me. Excuse me. pitchfork on this too.